Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO F5 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on OPPO and also Play Store on your Android to download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it, and then to set it up, tap on the same options in both. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and then hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of OPPO and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on OPPO, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, and here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and hit Receive. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add, adjust. Come on. Allow camera access and adjust your camera to focus at the code. Wherever you decided, just wait and then close another ad after your transfer is done. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!